Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by activating Expert RAW and selecting DNG output so you capture full sensor data. This preserves highlight and shadow info. Set a low base ISO for cleaner files, then choose manual or shutter priority to control motion. Once done, disable automatic HDR so the exposure logic stays predictable. Make sure grid and histogram are visible to guide composition and exposure. These visual cues help you avoid clipping while you take the first frame. Now you refine exposure and focus. Use spot metering on the critical area and watch the histogram to avoid clipping in highlights or shadows. If depth of field matters, switch to manual focus and use focus peaking. This gives tactile control over sharpness. Make small shutter or ISO changes rather than big jumps, and bracket by shooting frames at plus and -1 to 2 EV to ensure a recoverable exposure. Once you have the sequence, keep settings consistent for easy merging later. Finish by transferring your DNG files to a computer or cloud service and retain originals. That protects your raw data. Open them in a RAW editor and begin edits with white balance and exposure adjustments because they affect color and noise downstream. Proceed to tone, sharpening, and local corrections, then export high-resolution TIFF or JPEG for sharing. If a file won't open, update your RAW software or convert the DNG to a compatible format. This single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.